Hi friends, once again welcome back to Roji Share Tips. In today's video, we are going to look at the Q2 financial results of Coal India Limited. If you look at the Q2 2021 profit, you can see it is 2932, and if you compare to the previous quarter 3174, you can see a 7.6% decline or down. And if you compare to the previous year same quarter, that is year on year on for quarterly results, you can see it is 2951, and you can also see that there is a 0.6% decline. So overall this quarterly results is showing a decline. Now if you go into half yearly result, that is last 6 months, you can see H1 2021 shows 6106 crores, again is 5029 in the previous year same half. So in half yearly results you can see a increase, but in the quarterly results you can see a decline. Overall in my opinion the result is slightly negative and disappointing. You can see that company hasn't announced any dividend this quarter. Also, based on the disappointing results against unexpected revenue growth, share is expected to go for a correction from current market price of 167 to 140-150 levels in short time, and after that a gradual recovery may be possible.